Hi, welcome back to How to Fertilize Your Budget. Today we're going to look at LifePoints. LifePoints is the new website for my survey. That website is no longer functioning. They've brought everybody over to LifePointsPanel. That is an S on the end. If you had a My Survey login, that one does work on the LifePoints panel. It did carry over any points that you had. If you did not, you can click join now. If you do, just click log in. I have mine logged in over here. I just wanted you to see the home page. Here we go. And when you're logged in, this is what you're going to see. Your home at the top of the page, rewards, that's where you redeem at. I have 295 life points right now. There is a help center and a membership link. Your featured surveys to click on, ongoing surveys. There's more surveys down here. Right now, the only thing that I see on their website is surveys. According to the email, they intend on adding more stuff later on. So just keep coming back and, of course, doing the surveys, but looking for other activities to do to earn points. The big difference between My Survey and LifePoint Survey is on My Survey, if you did not qualify for a survey, then they gave you entries into their drawing. On LifePoints, they actually give you disqualification points. So I like that better because I never win any of their drawings. So I actually get something out of the disqualification points. You're just going to click on the survey, bring it up, and go through it just like any other website. When you get ready to redeem, click on rewards, and it will take you to their rewards page. I do not have enough to redeem right now, but I can show you what their rewards page is. They do offer PayPal. $5 on PayPal is 600 points. So, and then it goes up from there. There's not a deviation because you get higher points that I have seen. It's just 600 points is worth $5. So, there are other gift cards that you can go to. Here's your list here, and PayPal is right here. And as you can see, $5 for, or 600 points for $5, 1,200 points for $10. So it's all fairly simple here. There's nothing really new about LifePoints other than the website. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at learntodosurveys@gmail.com. And if you like the videos, remember to subscribe. Come back for more. Thank you, and I hope to see you again.